I will turn on the AC.
Have you ever wondered how the AC do its job? Okay, let me tell you. The AC stands for air conditioning. In simple terms, the car air conditioning system operates by removing heat and humidity from the interior of the vehicle, creating a pleasant and cool environment. It consists of several key components, including a compressor, condenser, evaporator, expansion valve, and refrigerant. So, the refrigerant passes through all the four parts, starting from the compressor, which compress the refrigerant to higher pressure and giving it out to the condenser. Then, the refrigerant moves through the condenser, located in front of the vehicle's radiator, so the refrigerant releases heat to the surrounding environment. Entering to the third phase, which is the expansion valve. The expansion valve lowers the refrigerant pressure so the temperature of the refrigerant cools down below the ambient temperature. As the pressure and temperature are related together, the lower the pressure, the cooler. And now we have cold refrigerant, so we can use it to cool the air, as warm air from inside the cabin passes over the evaporator's cold surface, heat is absorbed from it. This process cools down and dehumidifies the air before it is circulated back into our car through vents or ducts. Then this cycle is repeated again and again. Easy, isn't it? If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions, suggestions, or feedback. We hope to see you here again soon.